This is a set of 4 railway construction workers, by Fowler in HO gauge. It comes complete with a compact sound system to create the authentic sound of a blast from a workman's warning horn. The system requires either a 12 volts DC, or 16 volts AC auxiliary power supply to operate. In the box, you will find the figures and sound system ready for installation. The figures come professionally hand-painted, and include a mixture of workmen with different roles to play. They are independent of the sound system, so can be placed on a diorama or layout in a place of your choosing. The sound system consists of a soundboard and speaker that can be hidden under the baseboard, or in a suitable model building. There is no switch included in the pack, as each modeler will prefer a different type, but the system can be operated by any switch, from a simple on-off switch, to an automated setup involving reed switches and relays. Once power is supplied to the circuit, the sound effect will last for several seconds before a re-trigger is required. Full instructions are also included to help with installation. The railway construction workers and horn sound effect set by Fowler. The soundboard measures 45 by 25 mm, and the speaker measures 35 by 20 mm. Both have a depth of 10 mm.